With the ever-growing necessity of alternative fuels, renewable resources, and green energy, it's time to educate and promote the audience on the how, what, where, and whys of these ventures. We'll show how these processes are being accomplished around the globe, and what's being done, right down to the development, implementation, and manufacturing of this green world. We'll educate the audience on how much can be conserved and how money can be saved. What new jobs are being created with the development of a new industrial age of green products, services, and energies? We can take the audience with us on a journey that can help all of us in the future. Each episode will show an alternative fuel or technology being developed, a renewable resource being recycled into the same or new product, and a green energy resource being developed and used. This show has a seemingly endless amount of products and technologies that have been developed or are currently in development for us to highlight. Alternative fuels. With the constant rise in fuel consumption and the current and inevitable rise in fuel prices, as well as the pollution that's being created through the byproducts of oil, it's time we look into the future of alternative fuels and transportation technologies. We'll ride on and show you the latest intercity subway systems and newly developed super trains. We'll go to Norway and travel along the hydrogen highway and to Silicon Valley in California to show you how Italian car manufacturer Tesla is developing a pure electric-powered four-door sedan. We'll take you to a small shop in Venice, California, where one man is converting diesel vehicles to run on used filtered vegetable oil gathered from local restaurants. Renewable resources. We'll follow a can, a newspaper, and a bottle from the recycled container on your doorstep to the crusher, then to the production of one of the hundreds of finished products being made today, like the newly developed paper water bottle, made from 70% recyclables and breaks down in only 5 years instead of the plastic bottles that can take up to 300 years to decompose. We can show you how large corporations like Budweiser, Coca-Cola, and Pepsi collect cans and bottles, then separate them, melt them down, and make brand new containers for their multitude of beverages. You'll see how a dishwasher is recycled, or a car is crushed into a cube, and the steel is melted and made into new products. We'll show you the production of all kinds of items being made by smaller companies around the world. 100% recycled material shoes, shopping bags, or building materials. We'll watch and see how an entire house is being moved and ultimately recycled, instead of torn down and disposed in a landfill. Green energy. With the growing need for cleaner, more environmentally conscious energy, we're seeing new developments daily in the production of solar technologies and the use of hydroelectric dams, as well as growing fields of wind turbines popping up around the world. We'll take you to the source and show you how a dam not only produces, but also stores and distributes its energy. We'll explore just how much electricity can be harnessed by a field of wind turbines, how they're made, erected, and maintained. We'll take you to a brand new installation of a solar mirror being constructed in a desert region of California, and to a house that derives all of its energy from green power. We'll show you just how a household can generate and resell its energy back to the grid, and how much this technology can save the average home today. This is a journey to a new time, a new technology, and truly a new necessity. This is not just a concern for the large cities or just Americans. This is a global concern. And by sharing technology and educating the masses, we can show how, by each of us doing our part, we can ensure the continued development for the future of our Earth. People today want to know how. How can they help? How can they save? And how's it done? Come on our journey, and let's create a whole new green world.